Hey guys, how you guys doing? This is a quick Tilray analysis. I'm not even gonna. This isn't even. What is it called? I'm not even gonna take too long to do an analysis on Tilray. I'm already 100% bullish. There are no gaps to fill on down low, and we are currently barely crossing that weekly bullish mark. We actually broke it. What is it? Last week, May 17th, and historically, Tilray tends to run for a couple of weeks. I'd say one, two, 6 around, so maybe about a month and a half, and we're barely on that second week. Tilray right now, just looking at the charts, I'm probably gonna buy some calls tomorrow, to be completely honest. I'm not gonna be I'm not gonna I'm probably gonna buy some calls maybe about a month out, I think, from today. Um and I oh wow, we do have a gap. I didn't even see that. There's a gap to fill, at 45 to 47. Oh, I'm already 100% bullish on Tilray, man. 100%. I did not see that there was a gap right there. Yeah, definitely buying some calls tomorrow. Maybe I'd say, just to play it on the safe side, I would say I might buy like 2 month out calls on Tilray, probably around this gap right here. So I'd say minimum, I'd probably buy a $45 strike call for like 2 months out. But definitely, I do think that we are gonna keep going up to the upside. What would that gain be from right here? So 18 bucks up to 45. Only $45. Yeah, right there. So we are looking at 130% gain on, if you have shares. If you buy calls, that you can probably see like a 10x from calls, to be honest. I think more than likely I'll probably buy some calls on Tilray tomorrow. Yeah, I'm 100% bullish on this, man. I did not see that Tilray had this gap right there. I'm probably gonna buy, maybe, like I said, 2 month out calls tomorrow for full Tilray at that 45 strike. I'll see you guys later.